Alright, bro, it's about to open up in a second or two. Okay, here it is. So, first, uh, what is it? Okay, I don't care. I don't care. Fix. Alright, bro. This is with the project I'm using. Fix all. I'm gonna let this run over here. But either way, that's gonna be opening. I'm not installing that, bro. But first, what you wanna do? What? Oh wait, it's over here. Alright, so once you have your playfab set up and all that, if your players up here or up here, drag it down. And also, um, older updates are easy to do. The only project in the server right now is my Metro 24, and that includes check for bad name. But there's a tutorial in the server. So once you have that, alright. I hate this happens, bro. Okay. Okay, well, it failed, but it's not gonna work for me, but I don't care. This project's butt. Alright, so once you have it done, you're gonna go to PlayFab SDK. Honestly, bro, screw that. You go to PlayFab off indicator after you have it. After you have it, you need Notepad, Visual Studio Code, Visual Studio, and like a bunch of other ID. Okay, I think. But then you open this up, and you're gonna put your PlayFab in. I'll show you where you want to put it. So, alright, after you set up everything with your PlayFab and Photon, you'll see this stuff. Alright? There'll be a separate tutorial for PlayFab in the server. But yeah. Alright. So you will put at like the top there's like the URL bar. There's like a batch of numbers, 5 numbers and letters that look like this. Just copy it with yours. So yours. And then voice is you can go to Photon or you can go to add-ons and then scroll down to Photon and then you find app or like chat something, I don't know. And you put chat with this, make sure it's correct, and to copy all of it. And then the one above it, real time, just put it in here. So and if you make a mistake, you can do Control Z. I'm gonna leave it like this though. And you want to click Control S or save. Alright, and then you can play, I'm pretty sure. Might work. Might not work. Mine probably won't work though. Because this project's low-key kind of butt, bro. But newer updates you probably shouldn't do. You should do like 22, 23s, 21s. Not really 21s. They're like a little bit weird. 22s and 23s are good, especially spring cleaning. So yeah, I didn't connect mine, so yours won't be saying that if you did it correct, and you'll be able to like put on all of this stuff, uh, that and all that. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Is there any like yeah, but like you can go to city. Yep, this is the spring cleaning, even though it did not say spring cleaning. But yeah, this is how you make one. So yeah, and if you think that you have errors, these are just like not compiler errors, and you'll just click clear. And you can add stuff by that. Uh, you can right click here and create empty. So let's say like long arms want to go down into, what am I? Want to right click around like in the empty space, click import new asset. I'm gonna bring this over here. And you can just find like Steam long arms, which I'll actually just, you can like click like Steam long arms like this, and then click open or import. Or you can just drag it in from like a file explorer, and you can just go like that. This one doesn't work though. Yay. I know it's because I didn't, oh wait, hold up. Should work actually. Yep, and if it says target object, you can just do Gorilla Player. This. And pick that one. Not Gorilla Players, but pick this one. And you have long arms. So yeah, there you go. You have long arms. Oh, and to build, you need to get a file. And if you open it up with Android, like it said this, but go to player settings. Put like both of you, put your game name in both of these. All right. If it says like, yeah, but make sure to keep credits if there's credits somewhere. Put this as Gorilla logo right here. If it doesn't build and it says something about like key store, I'm gonna go to publishing settings, key store manager, key store, create new, anywhere. Put it, I guess, in here. Password, put as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's what I always do. You can, I guess, put your name there, but you don't have to. And you click add key. Yep. And usually you can, yeah. If you have to do it, you can like select one, browse, find yours, and you do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or you just be and then alias is your alias, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, your password for project key. God, I just like, oh my. All right, and to actually build it, all right, you will do ask ready to bit and LG4. Yeah, okay, and you'll click build, and it'll like ask you something about like file, just name it, and yeah, that's how you make your copy, and you add something. There's also like different ways to add something. So yeah. Well, you can also do like packages and all of that if you wanted to. So I can actually real quick show you a package. Import package, custom package, downloads. Like imagine if I wanted to add this, I guess. It'll let you do this, which will take a second or two. Now, in case it like gives you like a compiler error, just delete it, bro. It's pretty sad, but you have to get another one, or just not use it, or fix it. But if you're listening to this tutorial, bro, yeah, let me cut this real quick. Actually, I might not. But basically, imports into the project. You can drag it out and like here, and then move it around, like all of that. It'll also be here. You can also do right click it. I think it's unpack and then unpack completely or something like that. So yeah, that's how you make your that copy. Peace out. So yeah, subscribe. I guess I don't know.